Hey guys, this is Walter with Fixing Things One Day at a Time. And again, we are going to be fixing a thing today. As you can see, it has no top on it. It does have a roll bar. From what I've heard, it's not a stock roll bar. So we're going to have to see if this new top that I got from the Thing Parts shop fits. And I got it right behind me here, so we're going to unload it and see what we got. See how hard this is to install. So they packaged it very well. So this thing comes with its new frame. It's a canvas top. My wife picked out the color. She went with the saddle tan, basically is what it is. Alright. Initially this, you probably can't see it. There's a piece of safety wire on here that has all of the parts. So here are the parts. I'm hoping, here are the instructions on a DVD. Anybody got a DVD player anymore? I actually might have one. I'm not even sure what this is. TTS. It just says the Thing Shop from Chandler. So hopefully, accessory installation a video. So I'm gonna have to watch this inside somewhere on a DVD, and then we'll get back with you. Looks like a strap, some screws, and some other miscellaneous hardware, some buffers and clips. Oh, it's even got new hold downs for the front window, which mine are still in good shape, so I'm going to leave those on. And I know, here I am chit-chatting. So it's been a while since I posted a video. It's been a while since I've shot a video, so I'm a little rusty again. And that's not the important thing. The important thing is I'm just out here having fun in my garage. And we're going to see if we can put this top on. I'll probably set the camera up. Man, you can watch me run around in fast motion for a while, and when I get to something tricky, I'll stop and explain it to you. So, let's go. Alright, so I put the DVD in. It played for about 5, maybe 7 minutes. After that, it just stopped and said there was no disc in my machine. So, it could be my machine. It's pretty ancient, hasn't been used for a long time. So, I am just going to wing it. And, so as you watch this video, I'll stop it when I start making mistakes, and if there's something like that is close or needs to be a close-up, I'll stop and try to do a close-up. So it might be a little bit bouncy and sketchy here and there, jittery, jump from one thing to another, but that's what happens when I'm drinking beer working in my shop. So the first thing I'm going to do is take that, I'm going to pick it up and kind of just position it in place on the back. There's another bow that goes over the top bow. I believe that goes on second, and that's what we're going to find out. So let's go. I will tell you, my wife was going to come help me, and she went shopping. I was just too excited. I don't want to wait, so we're just going to go from there. I've got 2 black clips, very small. It comes with 4 nylon washers, some black clips, and 2 straps. And of course the hold down mounts, the up front mount. I already have the hold down mounts, so I'm not going to use theirs. Now I'm trying not to unroll the canvas yet, just because I think it might be a little bit unwieldy if I do that. Alright, I'm going to pause it right here. I'm going to see if I can get this set up on some blocks of wood or something. Alright, so I had it on like this. I noticed that these are flared out just a little bit, so I feel like if it's on like this, it's pointing in. How would I describe that? I think if I laid it flat, I don't know, maybe it is the same. I guess we will see. All right, well, so my recommendation is if it doesn't fit one way, try the other way. And the reason I say that is that I felt like when I put it on, you could not see the little the slot that this clip has to go into. I tell you, that's going to be a tight fit. Alright, I don't believe that there's any way I can get this on with all the washers on, so I'm going to remove one set of washers. Alright. All right, I am going to move the camera. So you guys can just take a quick look at what that looks like. There it is. It's hard to do shit on it. Alright. Check. Alright, so that's what the clip looks like on there. So I got a washer on the inside. I do not have one in between the two, and then I got the clip on there. So and we'll see how it goes. Now later on, I'm going to go try to watch that DVD on inside on my DVD player, and then we'll see how it goes from there. All right, so I've pushed it forward, and I've run into my roll bar. So so now I'm just trying to extend the sides. This currently, this rack right here is resting on here, but I feel like I can extend this out. Oh, look. So I wasn't really trying, but as I was pulling it forward, all of these clips in the back all caught a hold. So of course it's just going to get a nice little strap through here, but we'll take care of that. I just thought that was nice that it did that automatically. So. Alright, I'm going to stay on the profile view so we can see what's going to work. Yeah, it is actually clearing it. So the top strap that I put on the outside, when I say top strap, this bar right here is going to have a strap attached to it. So when it goes forward, it'll pull this in the up position. So let's see. Tight. All right, so due to some loose hardware, possibly, and you know, the age of this thing, my front window is raked a little bit back. And my understanding is that they have kits to bring it back forward. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to get the front pins in. This beam right here. at the top of this beam there's a hole. And so I'm hoping that we can get the pin that's on the front frame in that hole. It's going to pull my window a little bit forward. And, so we'll just see how that works. Alright, so instead of my hat, I got my handy dandy headlamp, which I need in dark spots, which is inside the car. So, but I did all this with no beer. I wanted to get warmed up. Had just a soda earlier, so but we're gonna have a beer. And I noticed I think I got a bottle opener on here. So it's a messy one, but alrighty. So got a Leinenkugel Summer Shanty, beer number 1. Alright, let me see if I can show you what's going on. So there's a hole right in here, and you can see all the wear from probably previous ones. This window is raked too back. It needs to be farther forward like this. So I'm hoping to pull it forward. However, right here, this piece right here is probably just, well, I don't know, it seems pretty close to this pin. So this is, I think this gap is too close. Damn it, let me try this again. So I think this gap is right here. This metal bar, very difficult to see, and this pin. See the gap right here? And I can't get my finger in there. So it's not hitting on here very well. So I'm just going to take a Dremel and shave that down just a little bit. And I mean just a little bit. I'm sure these guys make these all the time. They know what they're doing. The other side fit just fine, and I'm sure it has something to do with the frame of my window. But, so I'm going to get the Dremel out and get to work. Alright, hey, we're back. I've been working for like an hour and a half on this. I cannot get this side latch to latch down. So I've loosened up the back. I tried a couple things. I did some dremeling on some of the metal that I knew was catching, but it's all cleared now. But anyways, I'm on my second beer. Steve Austin's Broken Skull IPA, 6.7%, and it's from El Segundo Brewing Company. I don't know where that is. I don't think I've ever had a beer from them. Oh, that is a strong IPA. It's not real bitter though at the end, which is the reason, or maybe I'm just getting used to these things. I used to hate IPAs. Now I just tolerate them. So, but anyways, I'm gonna keep working on this and see what I figure out, and let's keep plugging away, and then I'll let you know what I find out. And definitely, it's definitely easier with 2 people. And now my wife's here; she's been helping me, so I appreciate that. All right, now it just started raining. All right, so listen, I finished my top a couple days ago, and when I was going through my videos, I noticed that the one crucial video, or the crucial thing that I didn't show you, and it needed to be a close-up. So right here, as you can see, there is a hole right here, and here's your latch for the top. I went ahead and swapped them out because I like the color of the stainless steel ones instead of the black painted ones. So what I had to do for that pin to fit in here was use a unibit. So, and I just outed it just the very first layer, and I did it on both sides. As soon as I did that, I was able to snap this thing in. Now granted, my window is forward when I do this, but it's done. I'm gonna cobble all these videos together, and again, that was the main thing. Once I opened up that pin, it dropped right in. I don't think, because maybe the shape of my window, that it was orientated right, but that little extra gap, and it's tight. So when I put it on there, everything is really nice and tight. So kind of actually look forward to getting the doors on, getting the top on, and driving it in the rain. And of course, it's raining right now, so who knows? Maybe I'll go do it now. The other thing is as you can see, I've taken the doors off. That is, just open them up past the 90 degrees and then just pull them straight off their hinge. Any work I plan on doing on this car again, I plan on definitely taking the doors off. It makes everything a lot easier. But if you like this video, just click on like over here and then click on subscribe. And we can do some stuff working on a Volkswagen thing. Have a great day. Oh Lord. We got some side windows. We got that big top. We close these things a little bit different, so put it out in the heat tomorrow, so maybe it'll be a little bit easier to close.